Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to our in-depth review of the Lenovo Legion 5, focusing on the touchpad and system performance. In this video, we will guide you through the essential steps to diagnose and potentially resolve any issues you may encounter. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a can of compressed air for cleaning. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any screws. Begin by powering off your Lenovo Legion 5 and disconnecting it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety and to prevent any damage to the device. Next, flip the laptop over to access the bottom panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws securing the panel. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the bottom panel. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips that hold the panel in place. With the bottom panel removed, you will have access to the internal components. Here, you can see the touchpad connection. If you are experiencing issues with the touchpad, it may be due to a loose connection. Gently disconnect the touchpad cable and reconnect it to ensure a secure fit. While you have the laptop open, it's a good opportunity to clean the internal components. Use the can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This can help improve airflow and overall performance. Remember, a clean laptop is a happy laptop. If you find that the touchpad is still not functioning correctly after these steps, it may be time to consider a professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help identify any underlying issues that may not be immediately visible. Now, let's reassemble the laptop. Carefully place the bottom panel back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure that all screws are tightened properly, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this can cause damage. Once the laptop is reassembled, power it on and test the touchpad functionality. If everything is working as it should, congratulations, you've successfully completed the maintenance. However, if you're still facing issues, remember that we offer collection and delivery at your home. This means you don't have to worry about calls or travel. We'll handle everything for you. You can receive a quote before any repair work is carried out, ensuring transparency and peace of mind. In conclusion, maintaining your Lenovo Legion 5 is essential for optimal performance. Regular cleaning and checks can prevent many common issues. If you need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our professional team for support. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your understanding of your device. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.